Hello my dear friend, my name is Matsi Khan. So I am back with a new video which is the royal and carving sofa 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 seater divan couch, and this is very premium sofa and a very class sofa by Star Enterprises Furniture. As you all know, Star Enterprises only know for the quality. So if you want the quality furniture, you have to go through the Star Enterprises Furniture. We will provide you the high quality furniture at your doorstep. Delivery we provide the all over India and the abroad as well. So you can see here the 2 pack table, 1 center table we also provided with this unit, and this is very heavy and very beautifully carved unit in the golden color in the premium quality teak wood. Now you can see the setup. This is the 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 side table and 1 center table. This was an catalog design as you can see on the screen, and customers sent this design to us and we created this design in the gold color. That was in the antique gold, but customer want in the plain gold. That's why we created this beautiful design, and now you can see the beauty and the reality of this furniture. And you can see here the center table, 30 by 30 inch center table, and the top total carved, and the sides of this and legs and the fronts you can see totally beautifully carved by our experienced artisan. And you can see the beauty of this center table as well, how beautifully we have done the carving work. And Star Enterprises always know for the quality, and now you can easily understand what kind of quality we always talk about and what kind of quality we provide to our customers. And now you can see the front of this single seater and the legs as well, and this is the 3 seater, and the 3 seater carving on the upper side carving. You can see the beauty and finishing and sanding and everything of the Star Enterprises Furniture. And now you can see the close view of this unit and the beauty finishing of the Star Enterprises Furniture. As you know, we deals in the high quality legs finishing and the front side of the sofa. It is very beautiful, and we provided the several pillows in the several design, the back side plain and front side floor, and the round pillows also. And this is very beautiful and very class design as per your interior. If you have luxury antique interior, then it will be suitable for your living room. It will be suited for your living room. And now you can see the 18 by 18 pack tables, the same floral carving work as like the center table. And the 3 seater is the 88 inch of length of this 3 seater, and the height is 51 inch. And the single seater is the 34 inch outer length, and the height is as same 51 inch. And this is very beautiful and carving unit. If you like this kind of antique design furniture, you have to go through on the directly number we already provided on the screen. You have to go through, and we can provide to this kind of royal antique furniture at your doorstep. Delivery we provide the all over India and abroad also. So friends, share this kind of video to your friends. Hope you like this video and enjoy this video. So be continue in the Star Enterprise Furniture. Thank you friend. I will be back soon. Bye bye. Take care.